Ano po, some of these are new menu. Yung nandito po is coming from Tagaytay. Ito yung ano nila, hina-highlights nila doon. That's the Sipata Kare-Kare. This one here is from Naga. Alam niyo naman yung Bicol, they're more on coconut. This is a burnt coconut chicken. Ano siya, parang naka-brace sa coconut milk na yung coconut, meat niya is nasunog. Kinuha namin yung juice. Then siya yung nagbigay ng flavor sa chicken. This one here, ito yung signature dito sa Cebu. This is the dessert salmon. Merong garlic alioli sa ilalim, some sauteed vegetables, and lemon cream sauce. Ito is very typical. Ito na yung, since na nag-open kami, ito yung Caesar salad inspired namin. This one here, seafood duxelle. This is one of our healthy option na sandwich. Is a grilled tuna sandwich. We use the fresh tuna. Then some coleslaw na merong yogurt and the fresh potato chips. Yun lang po. Ayun. Sorry?
You stay there.
Yep.
Soon in Cafe Summit. So what they have is an offering of all the other Cafe Summits that we have nationwide. So we have one in Tagaytay. We have one here in Cebu. We have in Naga. And then we have also in where else now? Where else we have Cafe Summit? In Jensen, Naga, Cebu, Tagaytay, and soon Tacloban. So we are providing you with a sneak preview of what we can offer in Cafe Summit exclusively. And Chef, proceed tayo sa banquet so that we can already eat. Of course, we have their chef is a... Yes.
It's not an imported beef, it's a local beef na request talaga namin na we're going to use the imported
Yeah, so si Chef kasi gusto niya talaga is local. Because we support local since we are also a local brand. So lahat ng suppliers ni Chef for Cafe Summit are really from Cebu and neighboring places. So very localized yung menu natin and resources. There you go. Chef Mau, ano yung mga for packet natin?
So guys, those are some of the food that you can expect here at Cafe Summit. And yes, muna, you can now try out some of their specialties from other Summit hotels like in Tagaytay, in Bicol, and all around the country. And then matilawan nyo yung sa Cebu, especially the coconut chicken. That's quite interesting. And then itong crispy kare-kare, lami gina. And yes, you can check it out here at Cafe Summit. There is kubos, there is Summit Galleria ba? Tilawi ba? O